Before I got on the freeway back towards Ventura, I just had to pull off for a second and ditch this sweatshirt because it was about 90 degrees in the valley here, and I had been up in the mountains, so it was a little cooler. So I'm just ditching this and taking a little stretch, and then gonna get back on the freeway here. As I close this video out, I just wanted to do a recap over the past 3 videos we did in this series for the Santa Monica Mountains tour. I just want to say thank you all for watching. I'm surprised at how many people have been commenting, and that just feels good because I make these videos so that I can engage with all of you and talk about motorcycles and places to go. So that's the best part about it for me, so I want to thank you. Just to kind of recap everything, we did northern Malibu in the first video, and we have the PCH right on the ocean, which runs north-south, and then up on the crest of the Santa Monica Mountains you have Mulholland, which kind of runs parallel to the PCH. And then connecting the PCH to Mulholland for about 30 miles north-south are all these different canyons. And so I showed some of my favorite ones in these past 3 videos. So in the first video we did Yerba Buena and Decker Canyon, and we showed some of Mulholland. And then in the next one we showed some of the bigger canyon roads like Canaan and Las Virgenes, and off of those we had Piuma, and we had Stunt Road, which had a good lookout point. And then today we did Las Flores Canyon Road, going up kind of towards that same area where Piuma is. And then we ended up at that Stunt Road lookout, and Stunt Road is a good one there, which connects back down to Mulholland. But today we went right at that lookout and took Saddlepeak all the way down into Tuna Canyon and Topanga Canyon there. And once you're on Topanga Canyon, then we got on the old Topanga Canyon Road. So that's what we had, and yeah, I'm going to be doing more videos, so thank you all for watching.